This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the back button and the home button on your Android phone, and this is really easy to do. So we want to swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Now when we're under settings we want to look for something called gestures. Now the easiest way to find this is simply just typing it in. So just type in gestures. Now when this pops up, we can go to gestures, home screen, and system navigations. And we want to go from gestures over to buttons. Select buttons now. And if you look at the bottom of the screen, we have a home button. We have a back button. And then we have this switcher as well. So I really like having a back button and a home button on my screen. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.